Changing needles on any Viking sewing machine is very important. Without a proper needle for the fabric or thread thickness you have selected, things just don't always work out. So if you're ever having any skip stitches or thread breaks, first thing I do is always ask, did you change the needle? So you do have the magnetic screwdriver that I love, comes with this machine. So we're going to just gently twist that until it slides onto the screw, and then go ahead and remove it. Now if you have trouble catching that needle so it doesn't drop into the machine, remember we have the MultiPurpose Tool, and it does have that little hole. That hole has a flat side on the end, so when you drop the needle down, it doesn't rotate. And this can help you get it to come up to the highest position without your hands all the way underneath the machine. Then when you tighten that screw, make sure you don't go too tight. So you need that happy medium, a nice tight that it doesn't fall out. But if you over tighten it over time, that screw is going to not be a happy screw and won't hold your needle in any further. So a gentle turn if you're using this. Now we do have a whole bunch of needle videos. So if you click right up here in this eye, that will jump over to our playlist of needle information, because even with this machine, you do find that you actually have an entire pack of needles. You have a wing needle, a stretch needle, jeans, and embroidery. So if you're unsure what some of those are, many people ask me, what's a wing needle? Those videos will help determine when to use which needle and for what size. So change your needle often. If you ever hear any click, click along the way, if you hit a pin and then you really hear the click, click, that's just the needle. Put a new needle in, it makes all the difference. And the last tip is after you put your needle in, make sure that you do use your needle threader, because then that way, if for any reason it doesn't line up and doesn't go through that hole, you know immediately that you actually didn't get the needle high enough. So then just loosen, lift it a little bit higher, and that will make all the difference in the world.